Jesus Christ, man. Me don't feel good. Me don't feel too good. Me don't feel good. Jesus Christ. What we do people in life? Youth, this hot. Oh God, but everyone, everything on your arms and Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Yo! Wagwan people, we're there. Today we're there with Pree. Check your facts. So this are the reply to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, this song to Joshy when dropped yesterday. So today we're there with Pree. You know, so Pree say First Nation too. I'm not sure if it's official a Joshy artist, but we know so them part together. So Pree a bad artist, long time. Never review a song pan that channel here before for Pree, but let this be the first one. So him answer check your facts. So 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, now is your time to answer. Or even Joshy, you need to answer 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 yourself too. Don't just send out an artist for answer for you. If that you do, don't do that. You need to answer yourself. You can't play the levels card. You cannot play the levels card because the whole of a COVID artist. The whole of was during COVID. So you can't play the levels card. When we say the levels card, I mean you have some artists who think to them above the next artist and say, oh, I'm not answering. Not saying that Joshy do, but I'm just explaining what levels card is. Not for them love to say, yo, oh, I'm cute, I'm not answer that. I people look, man. Nah. When a clash time, a clash time. Alright, we need a clash. Alright, so Pree, curious saying this, can you say check your facts? So I can see where you say me G. Let's go.
My one to you know.
My glass,
My one to you know.
my glass,
No, remember me have my own. Your glass of gold. A real gold up on my glass, you know. Me say your mouth think like swine, but it blood.
Hold on.
Like a fair mouth.
And girl, him a talk to some.
And that me asked myself too if I'm getting my talk to some. First of all, how the two are the same glass, the same looking glass. One must be a woman glass, one must be a man glass. Me not understand. Next thing, you gonna see a girl more think like pig batty or whatever you say.
No, remember me have my own. Your glass of
Yeah,
gold.
yes, sir, bro.
A real gold up on my glass, you know.
Me not take no side no facts you deal with say no. A facts you deal with no. This song name. I'm take up a blood clot glasses. Well, I'm gonna drink some. Water. Let's go.
Me say your mouth think like swine, but it blood.
Hold on.
Like a fair mouth.
And girl, him a talk to some.
Me keep it to that.
I'm for same girl more
Yeah,
things
yeah.
like swine.
First Nation, I want to
Hold on.
bat him out. Dog, when him name, Row and Reed. Now one no make him like him low pan weed. Now hear him from a day like him a choke pan breed. Watch him and kill off the 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 rifle.
Bumbleclaw. Okay. The rhythm not drop yet, the 16 not drop yet. But it sound like it's gonna be a banger rhythm.
Me say your mouth think like swine, but it blood.
Hold on.
Like a fair mouth.
And girl, him a talk to some. I'm for same girl more things like swine.
First Nation, I want to
Hold on.
bat him out. Dog, when him name, Row and Reed. Now one no make him like him low pan weed. Now hear him from a day like him a choke pan breed. Watch him and kill off the 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 rifle. Me pick up beat badness, you pick up bait, you pick up plate. When them there your country, you tie out, go pick up shit. How we do the badness, the whole 14.
When the country do what?
Remember kill off the 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐿 rifle. Me pick up beat badness, you pick up bait, you pick up plate. When them there your country, you tie out, go pick up shit. How we do
And your country tell you go to pick up shit. That him say. Yeah, I love the creativity that him saying.
bait, you pick up plate. When them there your country, you tie out, go pick up shit. How we do the badness, the whole 14. No. Get the 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, go for them, this and that. You know bad, look up pussy, just settle down. And the fans, them a tell me for killer now. Do not make me buck up on a rocky road.
You see your blood.
Do not make me walk up on the rocky road. Hold on, wait. Even before 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, because I think 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 about to say something. He might drop 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 twice on that say something. This I take the piss, brother. Them I take the piss what I 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 now. So couple months ago or a month ago or so, Silk Boss was driving and they on live. And the car shake and Silk Boss say a rocky road because the people up on the live I say, yo, your car shake is.
And the fans them a tell me for killer now. Do not remember buck up on a rocky road.
You see a blood clot rocky road, me I go through.
What if I yes with your pussy mouth? And your girl have your secret, I run it out. Run it to the fuck with trouble now. What? When you got Canada, the fans them say you lame. Touch a one girl on the stage, she a yell. Breathe like you out on the corridor for stay. St. James badness, hear me more be.
So them something I go on. So when Silk Boss and Pree them they go to Canada, him touch a girl on the stage or something like that. Or dance. I don't know how we done.
Fuck with trouble now. What? When you got Canada, the fans them say you lame. Touch a one girl on the stage, she a yell. Breathe like you out on the corridor for stay. St. James badness, hear me more be anyway. Boy live, we are turning our grave. Break and remind them put more rum on place over Phoenix. Game that's not even safe. Real girl clown and you're not even shame. Michael still a fuck Pree same way. Another.
Who? Michael, you see that for Pree? Michael, that for Pree, brother?
Break and remind them put more rum on place over Phoenix. Game that's not even safe.
I said, don't remind them put more on my place over Phoenix scheme that's not even safe. So I would presume Phoenix scheme are where Bree's family come from, are where Pree usually live. Are where Pree live.
Break and remind them put more rum on place over Phoenix. Game that's not even safe. Real girl clown and you're not even shame. Michael still a fuck Pree same way. Another time I do out and I give you a take.
Him did sing a song but it might hurt him. Me heart hurt me. Ah boy. What's it? Michael still a fuck Pree same way at that time when they out of the gear heartbreak. Yeah.
Same. Michael still a fuck Pree same way. Another time I do out and I give you a take.
See me heart hurt me.
This a blood clot.
Me bumbo clot. No. Silk Boss, you affy reply to Dan Pree, G. The whole are no young artist. The whole are no bad. The whole are no talented. You have to respond to Dan Pree. The whole are no COVID artist. The whole are no boss between 2019 and 2022. So you have to reply, G. You can't say nothing else, brother. You have to reply.
Real girl clown and you're not even shame. Michael still a fuck Pree same way. Another time I do out and I give you a take.
See me heart hurt me.
This a blood clot touch and never surgery. Just is a fake.
This a blood clot touch and never surgery. See me heart hurt me. Right now, don't say me need a surgery.
See me heart hurt me.
This a blood clot touch and never surgery. Just is a fake kill you off and make it worse. Little nerd, this one even worth it. Rhyme them nursery. Your career thirsty before terror and Sabri. You been a virgin.
Sorry that, big up yourself, my brother. Well, the man say before terror and Sabri, you was still a virgin. So it might refer back to the part where Silk say in text. Silk say Pree text. Terror say Pree text too. Text Silk Boss or Silk Boss page and a Terror on site and so come Pree and Silk Boss link. But before that, he was still a virgin. Me bumbo clot.
Surgery. Just is a fake kill you off and make it worse. Little nerd, this one even worth it. Rhyme them nursery. Your career thirsty before terror and Sabri. You been a virgin. Kill him off, no me no mercy. Columbia necktie, hang him with a kerchief. Uno not chat facts, uno just a chat shit. Anyway, me see you a get a casket. Look up a bad flick, you feel up with badness. Low it, take fire, send you go to God quick. Oh, Dan fi box the Dan, go check your facts with spend.
Oh, Dan fi box the Dan. The man I say, yo, them money at the dance. So, oh, dance about which Dan that? The Dan around this for box him. Because I him at the Dan. Yo, this have more substance tonight than Silk Boss song. I'm not tell no lie. For me, let me
low it, take fire, send you go to God quick. Oh, Dan fi box the Dan, go check your facts with spend money, buy gun, we no do the boxing. Who know why hear facts, then check your facts. Pree want everything where you have.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Me dead, man. Me dead, me dead, me dead, me dead, man. Me dead, man. Me dead, me dead, me dead, me dead, me dead. What's the water? Bumbo clot now, man. Me dead, man. Me can't take it no more, man. Yo, me dead, brother. Yo, me dead, man. Yo. The man said, if you want your facts, check your facts. I breathe on everything you have. Jesus Christ. Oh, God, what do people now? Jesus Christ, man. Me don't feel good. Me don't feel too good. Me don't feel good. Jesus Christ. What we do people in life? Youth, this hot. Oh God, my separate on everything on your arm, silk boss. Silk boss. Silk. You're my youth. Jesus Christ, man, silk boss. Jesus Christ.
Shout the season,
Yo.
Country box the tank, go check your facts. We spend money buy gun, we no do the boxing. Who know why hear facts, then check your facts. We want everything where you have. I bet say a she tell us if he clash. And you go fuck with some youth when a regular.
I bet she, so basically she a program head and I am the man in a relationship. That's what Dan Pree said, not me. I bet she tell us if clash. I bet tell us she and you go fuck with some youth.
Do la fly. I bet say a she tell us if he clash. And you go fuck with some youth when a regular. Medulla fly out of them youth, them tool ya bust out it.
Medulla brain fly out of them youth. Flow change.
And you go fuck with some youth when a regular. Medulla fly out of them youth, them tool ya bust out it. Head ruga make cobalt killer escape Uber. Some girl
Boom, glad to hear that, brother.
I bet say a she tell us if he clash. And you go fuck with some youth when a regular. Medulla fly out of them youth, them tool ya bust out it. Head ruga make cobalt killer escape Uber. Some girl clown them the duty, open up them head to see what them make out. Dar no call cream, sing go call brief. We want it all free, no make we talk to him. What's thing?
Man say no call cream, send go call brief. You want it all free, no make with.
Dar no call cream, sing go call. Girl clown them the duty, open up them head to see what them make out. Dar no call cream, sing go call brief. We want it all free, no make we talk to him. What's thing I go keep on make the war sweet and a pice no me yes I kill them off. Please.
Thing I go keep for true. Thing I go keep. Them say thing I go keep. Me bumbo clot. No. It's gonna be a bloody Christmas. Yes it is. Yes it is.
To see what them make out. Dar no call cream, sing go call brief. We want it all free, no make we talk to him. What's thing I go keep on make the war sweet and a pice no me yes I kill them off. Please. I talk about facts, get the facts right. Remember see the old car at the stoplight. Pull up, black price. Back flight, first nation outside and you can't hide. With them there, find them, gasoline, light them, LM game 4 from me 9X. Them not frozen again, every ice man, knife press die.
Them not frozen again, because obviously ice cream. Them not frozen, man said, no, make me see the old car. And it's not light.
LM game 4 from me 9X. Them not frozen again, every ice man, knife press dissect right where you type them. Pussy you no killer and we know how wipe them. Bubba down a country no pre-pump violence. Bubba down a country no pre-pump violence. Dead off. I'm to look at silk man. Know yourself, youth.
Yo, what the fuck me just listen to, brother? Yo, Silk, the war is on, brother. The war is on, me G. The war is now on, fam. Brother, this bad. This bad. You have to answer this, dog. The man chat a bag of things in this. You have to answer this. This is what you call facts. Yo, me not talk too much, you know. Me just sit back and watch what I go on now. Dog, tell me your thoughts in the comment section about this. Later. I gotta go. Later. Bye.